What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we caught the Cresselia and the Darkrai. And today's episode, we are going to catch some legendaries. And I got my old team back before I caught any Regis. Wow, the speed. So, in today's episode, we are going to catch the. Okay. Today's episode, obviously, we are going to catch Dialga and Palkia, which are the box art legendaries for Pokemon Diamond and Pearl. We already got Giratina and we can catch both Dialga and Palkia, so I'm happy about that at least. And nostalgic. When I first played Platinum, I only completed the main game. I didn't complete the post game or played it, so it's really not that nostalgic for me. But the music is really nostalgic. It took me like 3 or 4 tries to beat Cynthia, man. She's so effing hard. And Repulse effect more off. Obviously, we are going to catch Dialga and Palkia, Steel type, and the Dragon Water type. I hate snowy routes. It's Shane in Pokemon. They are cool and all, literally, but I don't care about them much. And how can I get there? Please? Oh, okay, understand now. So, why is this music so loud? I can't understand. But I'll deal with it. Za or Slave. No. I'm definitely going the wrong way. What the F? Yeah. Here is a place. Yeah. I am so mad at being not reaching this place. And with that, guys, we are getting the Adamant Orb and the Lustrous Orb. I haven't made the thumbnail yet for the last episode, but I'll make it soon. So let's go back. Repulse. Max Repulse. Oh, or Star. We'll get an. Also, I'm gonna do a Pokédex complete thing. What happens when you complete the thing? So stay tuned for that video. I will do it once we caught every legendary that's available in this game, except for roamers, because roamers suck. I pronounce suck as suck because it's so funny in my eyes. Maybe some of you guys don't see it funny, but I see it being funny. Suck! If anybody is like me, comment down below. Also, I'm gonna make a really important video soon. And yeah. Okay, I'm gonna save the game. And where the hell I'm supposed to go? Adamant Orb. What? Am I not supposed to be here? So where am I supposed to be at now? Maybe something happened. Okay. I'm at the wrong place now, so I'll see you guys in the correct place. Oh, okay. I understand it now. So when I first played this game, I mean, oh, okay, I understand now. So we need to come here. Yeah, I remember this. Okay, okay. Today is going to be Dalg and Palkia, baby. Which is, I'm feeling really nervous now, but Mount Carnet. TM2 Dragon. Okay. Yeah, we need strength. I know it. Ah, I'm really effing mad now. Okay, guys. So since I messed up, we need to talk to Cynthia's grandmother, which she's somewhere near here, and I'm gonna talk to her. And I'll see you guys after I talk to her. I'll see you guys in the place where Dialga and Palkia will be. So let's quickly find her. She'll be in her house. So since looks like Cynthia's grandmother is there. Well, hello, you look good. I did some research of my own since the spot of trouble last month. Connect acting up had me very concerned too. Well, this is what I found in the shrine. This a book. Okay, okay. So since we talked to her, we can access the place. So I'll guess when I reach the place where we are at last time. Okay, guys, I am back at Spear Pillar, and now there is Dialga, and let's show the game. Okay, let's talk to Dialga on the other side of the rift. In a fanatical bizarre place of Dialga, will you challenge Dialga? Go! Okay, Dialga. Or a sphere. Don't care. Okay. Yeah, forgot to use something. Thanks for using roar of time of all things, Jalga. Now you have to recharge, yes. Yes. Okay, false pipe. False pipe. Okay, wait a second. Okay, guys, there is an interruption of a phone call, so sorry. And let's go for some ultra balls. Okay. 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 Okay, I'll see you guys when I catch it. I'll see you guys when I catch it. Half. Gosh. Oh my effing god, that I caught it on the first ball where I said I'll see you guys when I catch it. Temporal Pokemon. Height 17 foot 9 feet. 1505.8 pounds. A legendary Pokemon of Sinnoh. It said that time flows when Dialga heart beats. No, mate. Okay. Okay. Where does it lead to? Okay. After I re-enter this place, there will be Palkia here. Yeah. I'm gonna show the game and I'll see you guys when I show the game. Okay. I'm gonna... Yeah, the other side, okay. Okay. Palkia. Okay, our Pokemon are healed up. Okay. Our Spearmint. Should have gone for Dragon Pulse. Oh, shit. Okay. 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 As you guys when I catch this thing then. Oh, we are almost at it. Okay. Yes! We got it. Special Pokemon, Water Dragon type, height 13 foot 9. Oh, it's shorter than Dialga. 740.8 pounds. Oh, it's lighter than Dialga. A legendary Pokemon of Sinnoh, it said the space becomes more stable with Palkia as every breath. So, we got Palkia and Dialga. So, or Dialga, anything like that. Or Dalkia or Pialga, MNJTV reference there. So we got every legend from Sinnoh except for the mythicals. I know some people gonna argue with me, but whatever. So in the next episode, we're gonna start catching some mythical friends, and that's for video, guys. Also, guys, in the next video, peace. Guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe this channel, comment down below, it really helps me, and share this video with your friend, say them to subscribe, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Peace. See the next episode, that will be in the iCards.